3. Ang 3, check position. 4 and 1. 2, check position. 3. Naka-stretch ang message siya na dito. And 4 and 1 and 2, 3. 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 4 and 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Shot. 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 And 2, 3. Shot. 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 2, 3. Shot. 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 And 2, 3. Shot. 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 Focus natin is naka-flat talaga. Okay. Yun talaga yung weight na. Okay? Now, we move from side to side. 1. Okay. Paano yung footwork? It should be forward and diagonal lang, diagonal push. Back. Diagonal push. And back. Diagonal push. Kung pag-iwalayin, 6. Open ang legs, turn out. And 8, turn out naman. And 1. And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. 13. 14. 15. And unhold. 16. Transfer weight. Okay? And 2. And 3. And 4. And 5. Okay? Yun ang ball of the foot. Okay? So, sa ginagawa natin, dapat ang nakalapat sa ball of the foot. It's not a pointed position. Okay? That's the first parts of the foot. Okay? Pointed foot. Flex. Okay? Flex foot siya. Inner. Outer. Ball of the foot. Okay? Okay ba? Tandaan niyo yan, ha? Ngayon, dun sa Pilates B natin, Pilates B, pag nag-transfer tayo ng weight, nilose niyo yung weight niya dito, ito dapat ang position niya, pag lalaki, parallel. Pag babae, inner. So, ibig sabihin, naka-pitch in yung inyong ball of the foot. Pero hindi pwede na lumayo yung inyong heel doon sa other foot. So that's what we call technique. So walang nag-explain ever, Pilates B. Ito nakagalito kasi ang parallel foot is only for the standard. So dapat, ang laging po lagi naka-outright. So don't turn out position. So ito ay Pilates B. Okay? So, from Pilates B, you try to transfer your weight on side. Okay? Yan. So, di ba, pag tumali tayo nakaganyan, madalas yung nakaganyan, ano? Use yun. Use that. So, this one. Yan lang gusto ko makita. But by this time, alamanan. Alamanan. Last. Basic.
4 and 1, 2. 4 and 1, 2. 4 and 1, 2.
Alemana! Para masisira ang pangasok ko sa inyo, Okay. Ready? Ready? Go. And 4 and 1, 2, 3. Basic. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. Alemana. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 sa Alemana. 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. Another. 4 Alemana. 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. Last. 4 and 1 Alemana. 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. Basic. 4 and 1, 2, 3. Wait. 4 and 1, 2. Nawawala ang wait. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. New York. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1. Half lang siya. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. Sponsor. 4 and 1. Sponsor. 4 and 1. Sponsor. 4 and 1. Sponsor. 4 and 1. Sponsor. Yay! Ano sa tayo? 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. Alemana. 4 and 1, 2,
Ikot.
3.
4 and 1 back.
2, 3. 4 Alemana.
Turn.
3. 4 and 1,
Back.
2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. Basic. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2. New York. To the right. 2. New York naman. 4. 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 4 and 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's move the basic. 4 and 1, 2, 3. 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 4 and 1, 2. Stop. Okay. Pinapakipilitin lang kayo mga kanina. And very slow. And slowly down, arms down, and down, up. And then, stay down. And relax. So, yung formula natin, when we start, ito, ay, ito tayo. Yan. So, wala pa tayong technique ha. Yun lang beat lang yan. So, hawak natin ang beat. Okay? So, from here, ang first lang, ating ano is transfer of weight. 4 and 1. Okay? Again. And 4 and 1. 2, 3. 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 2, 3. 4 and 1. Ganyan din ang gagawin sa mga bata. Bigyan yan. 2, 3. 4 and 1. 2. Okay, stop. Fast stop. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Next, we have the natural turn. And start with that, let's put plain boys like the figure. And 1, 2, 3. Ito dapat dun sa parehong paa nyo kung alin yung inyong ilinig at alin yung hindi. Okay? Now, we have a simple amalgamation. The first one is number 1 is close change. So how will you do close change? um, tawag dito, girls part muna ako. Ay, sige ma'am. Ako yung men's part, siya yung girls part. Opposite ko lang ito. Okay, and 1, 2, 3. Ang tawag doon ay closing. This number 1. Okay, gawin na. 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. O, para makita nyo kasabay kayo. Pag di kayo nakasabay, mali na kayo. No? Okay, ready? Gusto ko yung may rise and fall in stage 2. Ready? Go. And 1, 2, 3. O, tingnan nyo, nauuna pa kayo sa akin. Nagti-3 pa lang ako. 3. And 1, 2. Bakit iba kayo na? Start with yung nakaharap. Sa inyo kasi, kung sa mga bata, yung nakatalikod, yung sa pupuntahan, yun ay babae. Yung nakaharap, yun ang lalaki because they're the ones leading. Ang babae nakatalikod kasi sila yung nagpo-follow. Okay, so ibig sabihin,
I never book a stick.
One, two, three. Okay, yung count ng 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Okay. Meron tayo po correct ulit. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, go. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stop.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Ready. First time. And 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ready, second line.
1.
Second line. Go. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Pabalik. 1, 2. Third line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Dito ka sa 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Fourth line. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Next line. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Lawak-lawak ng jeep. Bubugbuan kayo. 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Yung naliliit ng paa. Go, and 1, anong simula? Starting with your left foot, you say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Mahirap? Madali. Okay. Sige, malito. And when you stay, and 1. Close. Step, point, and close. Step, point, close. Step, point, and close. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, okay.
Naka-heel, ano pa rin, heel. Tayo na naka-heel. Natural.
Right to right shoulder. Very good. Pwede ba? Maganda. Next.
Yan.
Next.
Diretso na agad tayo, ah.
Pwede ba? Basta lang yung nasa kaawat pa ka dito. Anong feeling? Anong feeling? 5, 6, 7, go! Very good. Next one.
Ah, ase.